You that is watching this video, I know you do throw away your used braiding extension, that is your attachment. Stop throwing away your old attachment. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily use your old attachment to do your butterfly locks. Watch and learn, and do not forget to share this video so that others can see how they can usefully use their old extension to do their butterfly locks. Don't forget to share, don't forget to like. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. So guys, watch and learn.
Edges laid, curls popping, buns so high, lace fronts, braids tight, you touch the sky. African roots with a modern spin, from home to the world, let the glam begin. Wig caps, part lines, scissors and glue, I'll show you the tips, pro tricks too. Love your crown, let the world see, it's hair, it's you, it's royalty. You don't need a fancy chair or lights, just your passion and a little insight. Through every strand, I bring you close to confidence, power, let it flow. Gifted glamour living, that's